Welcome to our channel. BritBox provides excellent British entertainment content that you can enjoy on your smart projector. Here's a simple way to activate the app and link it to your account for viewing. Step 1. Ensure your smart projector is powered on and connected to your Wi-Fi network. Access the device's main menu or home screen. Step 2. Navigate to the App Store available on your smart projector. This might be Google Play Store, the device's proprietary store, or an Android TV marketplace. Step 3. Search for BritBox using the search function in the App Store. Select the official BritBox streaming application from the results. Step 4. Download and install the BritBox app on your smart projector. Wait for the installation process to complete before proceeding. Step 5. Launch the BritBox app from your projector's app menu. You'll see a welcome screen with options to sign in or start a free trial. Step 6. Select Sign In if you have an existing BritBox subscription. An activation code will appear on your projected screen. Step 7. Using a smartphone, tablet, or computer, open a web browser and visit the activation URL displayed on your screen, typically BritBox.com, activate. Step 8. Log into your BritBox account with your email and password, then enter the activation code from your projector screen. Submit the code and your smart projector will automatically link to your account. You can now enjoy British dramas, mysteries, and comedies projected on any surface. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.